Good evening. Oh, okay, it works. Alright, I got my instant lunch shirt on. This is my new obsession. It looks like whipped cream, but really, there's strawberries and blueberries under here. It is Sunday night. Me and Chandler worked yesterday and today. We've been cleaning out the back. We've been cleaning out the backyard. I did my nails again. So this is a design for this week. I've been doing my nails like once a week, once every 2 weeks. Just depends on how they like chip. We moved the pool. Yes, the pool. We moved the pool from the middle of the backyard over like more over here because during the summer when there's leaves on the trees, we don't get much sun, and I want to be tan this summer. So we drained it. Now all we have to do is fill it up with water, and I've bought a lot of different like cleaning things for the pool this summer. So the pool is going to be extra crispy. Extra crispy. I had a tornado warning last night. Stayed up until 3 a.m. I'll post I took some Snapchats. I'll post it right here. When I tell y'all, it was so hot up in this bedroom. I ain't never felt anything like it. Yes, I have. It's been hotter, but I wasn't sweating, but I was getting hot. It's kind of like nature's cereal, but not. I got a mess over here y'all don't even want to see. Y'all don't even want to see it. We did laundry. Gotta fold that. I got lots of homework to do tomorrow. We ain't gonna worry about that tonight though. We're gonna worry about that tomorrow. I shouldn't have got this many strawberries. Oh, that was sour. I still got 4 strawberries left. And these things is huge. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Macy, I need you to back up. You hear me? Watch, I bet if I bring my ball over here, she gonna come. What are you doing? You want some of this? Did you want some? What did I tell you? Did you want some of this? Okay, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it, please. Okay. Now eat it. She likes blueberries. I'm getting full. Ooh, girl. Y'all ain't seen nothing. My teeth look white, kind of. No, strawberry was sour. Oh. Anyways, just did my nails. And then I had to do the freaking dishes. So I hope that they're okay. I'm sure they are. They look fine, but turn her thing on. Oh, you saw the mess for a second. I'm finna clean. Y'all wanna see a time lapse? I'm finna give y'all a time lapse. It's 10:43. Let's see how fast I can get all this stuff done. Okay, it's 10:44 now. Let's go. Alright, well, that looks better. It's 10:51. So what, it's been less than 10 minutes. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube and fold these clothes real quick. Alright, so y'all just saw me like make my breakfast, kind of, sort of. I filmed it on my phone, so I don't know what the quality looks like. Well, I don't, like, I'm sure there's a difference in quality here from the last clip to this clip. But let me just airdrop this to me real quick on my computer, because when a video saves to my phone, it has to download, and it is ridiculous to airdrop to my MacBook. So I need to airdrop that right now anyway. But I made me 3 pieces of avocado toast, because this is just like the 45 calorie bread, and avocado toast is my favorite. Then I have a bowl of fruits and vegetables. So I have cucumbers, tomatoes, there's strawberries in there, and then I have these little peppers, like the different colored ones. And I put everything but the bagel, lemon juice, and pepper in my avocado, like on my toast. Then I added some cream cheese in here. I've never tried this before. It might be absolutely revolting, but we're gonna try it because I wanted to dip my peppers in cream cheese, and I was like, oh, why don't I just mix it? So it might be revolting, but it's not bad actually. It's just kind of hard to mix it with the avocado since it was cold. I decided to make a big breakfast for myself, like lots of fruits and vegetables, things that are good for me, because I have a good amount of work to do. So I'm gonna take the next like 30 minutes, chill out, like do whatever I want to, watch some TV, get on my phone, whatever. Then I'm gonna take, it's literally 9:30, so until 10, and then from 10 to 12 I'm gonna work on this one thing that it's like been weighing on my mind for like ever, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I look crazy right now, but oh, and I made me a coffee. I'll see y'all, and hopefully I'll have this assignment done. Oh, I'm stressed.
Previously on This Is Us.
Today's bulletin is kind of
killing
going
me.
viral.
I'm doing this for William Hill because you all were his family.
My name's Howard Ling and I live in New Orleans. I believe I knew you.
Alright, y'all, so I just want to pop on and say I made some rotel and we put salsa on top of it. It was actually Chandler's idea to put the salsa on top because I didn't have the rotel, like the chilies and the roasted tomatoes. I swear I thought I had it, but this is just cream cheese, Velveeta, and the meat. And then we put restaurant style salsa from Aldi on top. It's really good. And these are chips from Aldi too, but I'm still watching This Is Us. I did a lot of my homework, or a lot of my work, but I still have a good amount to do. But anyway, we are moving things to the side of the road so that like the city can like pick them up, like trash or whatever. So I've got like literally I had like 20 boxes to like break down. Crazy. Chandler over here smacking. Is it good? Anyway, I just want to update y'all. It's the same day, just like 5 hours later. So I just got my Beauty Creations packaging. So I did get this PR kit, like I bought it, like, anyway, it has all these colors in there. You might have to remind me later.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. He put a water in the freezer. He put this one in there for me like an hour and a half ago, and he put another one in because I'm cold, because I'm thirsty. And I just put some waters in the refrigerator. Y'all don't care about this, but we didn't have any cold water. I like my water cold. But I bought this, and this is like the PR package, and I'm super excited, guys. Like, look at all these colors. So there's a gel pot liner, a primer, like a base, and then a pencil liner. That is what it looks like. I saw this on TikTok and I had to have it. So, and then color base, primer, and they're all like the same color. Fresh Aqua, let's see, JK, this is Aqua Glow and this is Fresh Aqua. And then let's see what this one is. Aqua Marine. So excited. So I'm about to film like a swatch video of these for my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, it's Sarah Samantha with 2 A's and 2 H's, like SARAHH SAMANTHAA. It's like 2 H's and 2 A's. Does that make sense? Anyway, but yeah, I'm so excited. And like, if I wanted to, I could like do this and like pick a color, and wow, that's like perfect to like kind of match my shirt. But anyway, I just want to show y'all what I got because I'm super excited about it. And oh, a piece of ice stabbed me in the throat and it kind of hurts. Yep, it's like 9:30. at night. And I'm about to film this. Okay, bye. So I just wanted to pop in real quick and ask, how do I get a pimple right there? I mean, like, that's all. I have to go to work, but it hurts so bad.